Ka Dyosa, thank you so much for dropping by. And of course, we're gonna have another content today. And it's all about jump rope. Nakita mo nyo naman siguro sa title. So we will unbox a jump rope again. This is not sponsored, okay? I bought it on Lazada. Let's see if okay siya. I bought like one rope lang, one jump rope, but they come together with two ropes and also the handle. You can make it as weighted rope or speed rope. So flexible siya. Let's see kung maganda siya gamitin. So we're gonna review it after. Mga ka-Dyosa, nabuksan ko na siya kanina. Ito yung weighted rope with combination of speed rope. Ito yung pangkabigat. Medyo mabigat na siya. Pwede mo rin siyang tanggalin. But in case ayaw mo na mabigat, hindi siya gamitin na mabigat. Okay. So you can take off this black side. So yan ang mga ka-Dyosa.
Sikipan mo ulit.
Na-fit ko na yung aking bagong jump rope. So as what I said back then on my first video, dapat yung jump rope ng height niya, dapat dito lang on your chest or lowered. But this one is better na. Ayoko lang siya tanggalin kasi as usual pa din, baka mamutin pa rin ang kuya ko. Now mga ka-Dyosa, let's try the speed rope kind. Kung aabot ba ako or ilang beses ba ako makapag-jump rope na hindi na nakaka-stop or unbreakable. Let's see my personal record. Last time kasi nagkaroon ako ng 850 jump ropes without tangling. It's just hindi ko siya na-record and it's so sad. It hurts me so bad kasi hindi ko siya na-record. That was my first time na hindi ko siya usually I always document my jumps, but then that time hindi ko pala na-on yung play button sa video. Nakakainis, nakakaloka. So now let's try if we can make it again or lesser ba or more than that. Kasi yung na-captured ko lang is like around 600 plus, 650, 152. I forgot. I posted on my Facebook actually. Now let's see kung mabit ko yung personal record na yon na of course I have to make it sure na naka-video
So, mga
talaga tayo mga ka-Dyosa. As you can see, hindi ko nilagay kanina yung parang bakal niya kasi gusto ko light lang para mag-speed rope lang tayo. Ganito kanipis yung rope niya. Tapos as you can see here, umiikot lang siya. So I guess this kind is very nice to use. So this time mga ka-Dyosa, 307 lang. So mga ka-Dyosa, palitan natin siya. Lagay natin yung bakal para maging weighted rope. Let's use the gray one. This gray is like thicker
Put this one
than the red one.
here.
Tusok mo lang siya mga ka-Dyosa. So this one is ready. Let's see, sana makapag-personal record ako.
Clap. Go.
Oh, nag-75 mga ka-Dyosa! Oh my God! Oh my God! Sobrang poor talaga ng coordination ko na yun. It means I really have to practice and practice and practice. But, mga ka-Dyosa, let's talk about this rope. Yan, I really like this rope actually kasi 2-in-1 na yung binili natin. Speed rope and weighted rope already for like around 500 plus, I guess. I just really put the price around here. And this, very flexible pa, pwede siya ma-adjust. Tapos, you can just change if you want speed rope or weighted rope. At the same time, sobrang bilis lang niya gamitin. Kahit weighted rope siya, hindi siya katulad nung last time na binili ko na sobrang bigat kasi that was 2 pounds. This one, I guess, if I'm not mistaken, parang 1 pound lang or 0.5, I guess. And sobrang ganda ng quality ng rope, oh. Sobrang aesthetic lang tingnan. At saka, for sure, like this one, ang handle, it's rubbery. So, parang flexible lang din siya. Malilinis nyo. I really recommend this rope. So, and yeah, I'll just have to keep practicing. Never quit. Yun nga lang, kapag hindi ka na talaga nakaka-practice, wala yung coordination mo. It's just kasi I've been so busy last couple of days and got lazy because I have this visit thing. You know, girls know about that. Yun na mga ka-Dyosa, thank you so much for watching and hope you enjoyed on this video. And of course, please, sa mga nagkagusto dyan, please give me a thumbs up, share or comment down below kung ano yung gustong mga content na makikita nyo sa akin on my next videos. And of course, always take care and enjoy healthy life and eat healthy foods, of course. Take care mga ka-Dyosa! Oh, also, don't forget to click that bell notification on so you'll be notified on my next videos. Thanks mga ka-Dyosa! Bye! See the brand? It's smart. It's smart. Smart. Okay.